Today we're going to make a chart using Google Drive. I'm going to open up Safari and we're going to go to Google. Google should be in your toolbar right here, or you can click in your Google box and type Google, and there we are. On the top right hand corner there's a sign in button, so you're going to sign in with your internal password. Now I already have some accounts on here, so I'm going to go down here to add account. And now I'm going to sign in with my username. For me, this is my username. And after your username, you need to type @. The @ sign is a capital on top of the number 2, so you press your shift key to make a capital, and there's the @ sign. And you need isd194.org. So it's your username at isd194.org. And then again, it's your internal password. And then you can sign in. If you get a message, just say not now. Okay, now you can see over here that you are signed in and your username is over here. Next to your name, there are these things, which are a bunch of squares. I'm going to click on that and I'm going to go to my Google Drive. When you're in Google Drive, on the left you have a big red Create button. Click on that and we're going to do a spreadsheet today. It's the green one, not the form, but the spreadsheet. Spreadsheets have lots of little boxes or cells. Let's see, what does this say? New improved comments. No, we don't need that. The spreadsheet has lots of little cells here. We've got our columns, which go up and down, and the rows, which go across. I like to put all my information in columns. So now we have to go find some information to enter here so that we can make a chart. I'm going to make my screen, I'm going to make my window take up half my screen. So down here in the bottom right hand corner, I'm going to drag this window over so it only takes up half of my screen, and on the other half I'm going to open up another window to get some information. So I'm going to go up here to the word File next to Safari, and I'm going to say New Window. Okay, it brings up a new window, and I'm going to again go to my bottom right hand corner to drag this over to make it fill up half my screen. Then I'm going to drag it on the top in this gray area on the toolbar to move it over. Now, what information am I going to get to put into all my little cells? I'm going to search for the Sochi medal count. Perfect. All right, we've got our countries over here in a column, and let's do just the total medal count over here. You only need to do, let's just do 4 today. So we're back over here in our Google spreadsheet. I'm going to click in the box and start typing. Remember, these are countries, so they need capital letters. I'm going to press the return key to just go down to the next one and type in all my countries. Now I'm going to click in the B column, making sure that I'm in the first box here, and I'm going to just type in the total medal counts. Here I go. Again, I can press return to go down to the next box. That's 28. And I press return to put it into my boxes. Alright, I've got all my information. Before I get started, I'm going to title my spreadsheet. I'm going to give it a name. So I'm going to click up there at the top. You're going to do 5, your class initial, and then your name, and let's do metal count. Oh, this is a title, so we need all caps. Now I'm going to make my chart. I'm going to highlight my information. Highlighting is a little bit tricky. I start at Russia and I drag down to the number 28. So you know it's highlighted if it's in blue. Now I'm going to go to the word insert at the top and I'm going to find chart. Let's make an up and down bar graph. I need to make this a little bit bigger now so you can see that whole thing. And up here is one tab that says Start, and then it says Charts. So you can choose which kind of chart. Let's do an up and down bar graph. And then this tab says Customize. You need to have a chart title here. Since you'll be printing these out, again, you need to have 5, the initial of your teacher, your name, and let's do Sochi Metal Count again. You can scroll down in this box and you can do some different things to it, like changing the colors. You can slant your labels, which might be helpful if you have lots of labels. And you can experiment with anything else that you want to do in this customize area. When you are done, you're going to press the insert button, and that's great. It's covering up our information. So let's grab it on the top bar here and move it down. So you've got your name, the title, you've got your information on the chart, and you also have your original data showing here. Now we're going to print it. Right here is the printer icon. Print. We wait for a minute. It's going to make a picture of it in the preview program. So now we're in the preview program. And then you just do File, Print, select your printer, and press Print again. And that's it. When you're done, you can press the red X bubbles and it will automatically save because you saved it up here. That's it.